to my channel. My name is Ashlyn, and for today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys this little orange cut crease, which is actually a felt pink cut crease, but it's okay because it's still cute though. So anyway, so yeah, so if you like this look, you want to see how to get it, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my eyes, of course. That's the only way to do it. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer in the color Light Ivory as a eyeshadow base. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush and my Benign Banana powder. So starting with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the first shade that I'm going to use is this bright yellow shade right here. So the next color I'm going to go into is this orange right here, and I'm using the same brush. By the way, this is the Morphe E30 brush, and I'm using this to go into that orange shade. So staying in this palette and just changing brushes. This is a regular blending brush that I got in a set from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use this little dark purple shade right here and apply that right under the orange. So for my next shade, I'm going into the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm also going to use the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to pick up this purple shade right here. I'm just going to pick that blending brush back up that we used the purple shade on and bring that color back out. Picking up that Morphe M433 brush again, going back into that dark purple and really hit that on my outer V. Use my Tarte Shade Take concealer to cut my crease. So I'm going to use this flat fluffy brush and going into the It's My Ray Ray palette. I want to take this color Tiffany and put this right on top of that concealer. I just want to add some more pink to it. So I'm going to go back onto that Morphe 35M palette using that same fluffy brush. Take this shade right here. So before I go put my lashes on, I'm going to go and prime my face, and I'm using my Milani Prime Light Primer. I don't know, I feel kind of iffy about it right now, but I feel like once I put my lashes on and stuff, I'm gonna be cool with it. I am gonna like bring that purple. Okay, so the lashes is on and it does look better. I really tried to do a pink cut crease, but I feel like I did an orange one. Like, I feel like this is an orange eye way more than it is pink. Oh well, it's still cute. I'll be alright. So for foundation, I'm going to use my NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation in the color Syracuse. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I can't read. To apply it, I'm going to use this sponge from Real Techniques. Just to further blend my foundation out more, I'm going to use this Morphe Y6 brush. To conceal and highlight, I'm going to use my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and this is in the color Medium 2. that's all the concealer I'm gonna use. I do not, because I just don't want like a super bright under eye. Like, I'm not into that. I'm just not. Going back into my sponge, and it is damp, by the way. Just start blending that concealer out. Yeah, I was so sad yesterday. It was Valentine's Day, and I wanted to like get cute, go on a cute little date. I didn't get to do my makeup. My hair was ugly. Yeah, wig just ain't want to act right. I had to go to the nail shop, and freaking nail techs took forever. Like, they was taking so long, and I was getting so irritated. I'm like, okay, you don't have to be perfect, you don't gotta follow, just leave. Like, come on, because I gotta go. Like, I was getting so irritated, and I got back. I was irritated. I really didn't even want to go nowhere no more. I just wanted to get in my bed. Like, everybody was pissing me off yesterday. Every fucking body. My mama, my boyfriend, the nail tech. Take this and just blend this in with my foundation, so it's not like no harsh edges or nothing, because I feel some type of way about that. So to contour my face, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Where's Walnuts, and I'm going to use it to contour. Me and my mama finna go out before she had to go to work. I'm gonna go to my favorite restaurant and get the best bread pudding ever, bitch. And I don't even like bread pudding, but they bread pudding, baby. Bay to the bay. And some shrimps. Y'all. I can't do it. I got some shrimp in the fridge, actually. Like, I had to take my food to go. Like, honestly, I'm a basic bitch. I just wanted to go to Texas Roadhouse, right? Because I wanted some fucking rolls. And like, the wait was like 30 fucking minutes, but the wait to get a freaking booth or whatever was nowhere near compared to the wait we had to wait for our fucking food. But I'm gonna go and blend this out with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. But yeah, so like, it was nowhere near compared to what we had to wait for the food. Tell y'all, I got so full off that freaking bread and the potato skins I ordered. And I never had fried pickles before, so like, me and him, we went on a double date with like his best friend and his girlfriend. So they had ordered fried pickles and I had tried it. It's actually good. Like, it tastes like ranch to me. It might sound weird, but to me it tastes like ranch, and I love ranch, so that just says a lot. So yeah, like, as soon as our food came, I didn't even want it no more. I said, can I get my to-go plate and the check? I'm ready. It took forever. It took that long, y'all. But I will be going back because they gave us little free appetizer coupons, bitch. You know I'm ready. I love free shit. Know how I feel about this double chin. I do not play about it. I do not play about my double chin, y'all. Like, do not say shit to me. We gonna hide her, even though I really feel like this doesn't help hide. I just feel like it make me look like a new bitch, though. Like, new bitch who you, new chin who you. Ooh. So yep, just go in and blend that concealer just to make sure it didn't start creasing. And using my benign banana powder, I'm gonna go and pick up some powder and set my face with it. And I'm a dry girl, so I don't use a lot of powder, and I do not bake. So real quick, taking it's my Ray Ray palette. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush right here, the powder brush, and I'm gonna dip into Mocha and Brownie Bite. I'm gonna dip into both of them because I don't know, I feel like just Mocha by itself is like a bronzer color on me, and you know, Brownie Bite would be damn sure too fucking dark. So it's dark as shit. Oops. It's okay. I feel like when I go and dust my powder off, it's not gonna be that dark.
Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get it!
Fuck no. Fuck no. Damn, Ashley. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go and dust off all that powder because, like I said, I do not bake, so I don't want a cake face. I don't. Because I didn't do nothing else after I fucked up my face like that. Even got like a big chunk right there. I just want to cry. Give me my banana powder. Just to take that out. Just to like delete that. Delete. Didn't I tell you when I finished this video? Video come first, boo boo. It's not 4:30. Oh, I ain't know. So I'm gonna use my Becca Cosmetics bronzer to bronze my face. Y'all hear her in the back complaining? Just complaining. Ooh, baby. I think this bronzer is so pretty. Okay, so actually I have a blush that I'm scared to try. I used to use it as a bronzer, so that's why I'm scared to try it. But this is the Black Radiance brush. This is the Black Radiance blush in the color Artesian Color. And this is the Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm going to lightly take her, like lightly. I lied. And dab her. Ooh, ooh, stamp, ooh, stamp, ooh. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not bad actually. Whew, it's pretty. My face with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This is the number 8 brush, and I'm going to take the purple color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and put her under my eye, and just this color. Now to highlight my face, yes, I'm going to use something I haven't used yet. I spent $40 fucking on it and I haven't used it. So to first highlight, I'm going to use it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to take the color Radiant. And make myself glow. Second highlight, just because I'm gonna be a little extra. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit, and I seen it and I just had to have it. And I haven't even used it yet. So I'm gonna take the color Unicorn and add her. Yes. Oh, add her a little bit though, because I don't want it to be too extra, but I want it to be extra, you feel me? And I'm gonna take the color Unicorn and pop her in my inner corner. So purple and pretty, yes. Can y'all see it on camera? I don't think y'all can see like the color that I'm getting on camera, but bitch, this is a fucking look. I'm sorry, bitch. It's a fucking look. Like, I'm the baddest bitch, and whoever told you otherwise is a fucking lie and a hater. Hater. Bitch, join the club, cause I got a lot of them. You need to stop lying to myself. I'm gonna take this brown NK pencil. It's actually an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip pencil, and line my lips. So I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fussy and pop her on my lips because she's sexy. With my Mario Badescu facial spray, so I'm gonna spray my face. my hair, and I'll be back with the finished look. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. It came out really beautiful. Like, I feel like it's really beautiful. Like, so cute, sis. So yeah, it came out to be a really cute look. I'm really sad because I don't have my hoops, but it's okay. So yeah, if you like this video, you found it helpful or inspiring, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see everybody next time on my next video.